Wealth. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have been following my videos, you know I have a software for sale. As an affiliate marketer, one of the important backbone of affiliate marketing is to have a source for your leads, as in your organic traffic that will come to your link and purchase your service, not just traffic that will come and view your service, or traffic that are not real. So that's where I come in, because I'm a software developer and I've developed several softwares for years now. So I came up with a software, with affiliate marketing software, which I have been using for a while now and has been earning me really good money. So the software is up for sale, and the software I've been using for my Clickbank affiliate marketing. And remember, as in, if you check my previous video, you know that the software is not only applicable to Clickbank affiliate marketing alone. It's applicable to other affiliate marketing business or any traffic affiliate marketing business. So to get the software, as you can see on the screen, this is the result of one of my students who got my software and is doing fine. Look at what he has earned since he started. So to get the software, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skywest07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skywest07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Remember, it's not about the hard work, it's about the smart work. Get the software today and start earning real good. And also, I manage accounts for my students also. There's a room for account management. Maybe you need assistance, or maybe you want, maybe for the first month, or you need someone to guide you. I can guide you. And remember, my video course, my software comes with a complete video course which will guide you step by step on how to use the software. And remember, you don't need to have any previous knowledge about the software or about Clickbank before you can use the software, because my video will explain the steps to you in details. And even a new person that does not have any idea of Clickbank or affiliate marketing can use the software through the video course. So remember to get the video course and the software today. Contact me on my Gmail at skywest07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Thank you.